Achi soup, assorted meat, stockfish, blended peppers and onions, seasoning cubes, and salt. Now stir, cover and allow it to cook. Let's check the meat. At this point, the meat is 80% cooked. Now I'm going to add my dry fish, some Cameroon pepper, grounded ozeza seed, some crayfish, ogiri igbo, palm oil, more water for the soup. Cover and allow it to come to a boil. Let's check. Stir. I'm going to add my Achi mix. I mixed it with palm oil. Stir, and allow it to cook. Let's check. Stir, and check the consistency. Now I'm gonna add my mackerel fish, cover and allow it to cook more. Now let's check. The consistency is just perfect. This is frozen pumpkin. I'm gonna add, and my spinach, 1 seasoning cube, crayfish. Now stir, cover and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, our soup is done.